In this video, I'll show you how to view all your connections on LinkedIn. If you want to see your full LinkedIn connections list, the main place to go is the My Network section. LinkedIn says your direct contacts on the platform are called first-degree connections, and you can open that list from the connections page on desktop, mobile, or mobile browser. Let's start on desktop. Sign in to LinkedIn and click My Network at the top of the homepage. On the left side, under Manage My Network, click Connections. LinkedIn says this opens your connections page where you can browse your full list, sort it, search by name, and use filters to narrow it down. You can sort by recently added first name or last name, and you can also search by filters like location, company, school, industry, and more. If you are using the LinkedIn mobile app, open the app and tap My Network in the navigation bar. Then tap Manage My Network, and after that, tap Connections. LinkedIn says this will open your connections list on mobile, where you can also sort, search, and filter your connections. If you are on a mobile browser instead of the app, LinkedIn says you can tap My Network and then tap the number of connections shown near the upper left. That opens the same type of list, so you can review your network from your browser without needing the app. Once you are inside the connections page, you can do more than just look at names. LinkedIn says you can message a connection directly from that page, search for someone by name, and in some cases remove a connection from the same area if needed. That makes the connections list useful not just for viewing people, but also for managing your network. There is one important limit to know. LinkedIn says search results displayed when viewing connections are limited to 100 pages or 1,000 results. So if you have a very large network, you may not be able to browse every person through search alone on one screen. If you need a full record of your connections, LinkedIn also lets you export your connections list from settings and privacy through the Get a Copy of Your Data option. You may also want to check who can see your connections. LinkedIn says you can manage that from settings and privacy, then visibility, then connections, where you can choose whether your first-degree connections can see your list. That's how to view all your connections on LinkedIn. Open My Network, go to Connections, and use the search, sort, and filter options to browse your full network more easily. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.